Hey guys, my name is Abby Dalton and today I'm going to be doing a video I've never ever done before, and that is a cooking video. Really, this is just a challenge for me to see if I can be efficient in my cooking skills. I live alone, so anything that I cook, I have to eat. And by no means am I a cook. I'm just about to cook some tilapia and show you my broke college student, you're hungry but you need food tutorial. Is this a tutorial? But yeah, so let's get to it. I like how half of this stuff is already used and I'm like still putting it on display. Hey, that's what broke people gotta do. So, this is the requirements for this meal. I buy the family size tilapia. I got this from Kroger. I can't remember how much it was, but it was under $10 because that would be ridiculous if How many are in here, dude? 8? Yes. For 8 pieces of tilapia, I normally eat 2 at a time. But you can obviously like do 1 and have more sides, but I'm a hungry girl, so I ate 2. So you have the tilapia. One side option is broccoli cuts, or just broccoli, but I like them cut. This is super easy. All you have to do is steam it. You can steam it in the bag, but I never eat a whole bag of broccoli, so I usually eat like a third, maybe. I might be overestimating this. You're like, wow, she can eat, which is true, but I may not eat a third of this bag. Really, Colby Jack cheese, I just use it for my salad because I'm trying not to use dressing. I love ranch. I love ranch with everything, especially lettuce, but I'm trying not to do that because it's just fattening, like it defeats the purpose of having lettuce. Next, I like the shreds lettuce, but Kroger didn't have any and it's less healthy. So I went and bought some American lettuce because apparently lettuce can be American. It's actually expired by 3 days, but I'm still gonna eat it. So we are using some spices, my friend. This is lemon pepper. This will make your tilapia not as fishy in a good way. Like it adds some spice, and I don't like spice. I cannot handle spice. Creamy jalapeno from freaking Chewy's is my favorite thing, but my nose waters every time I eat it, but it's worth it. So yeah, lemon pepper, and some salt. So let's get to the stove. So the first step we're gonna need is canola spray, canola oil, or Pam, or whatever you wanna use. Even if you want to use like real grease or butter, you go for it, but remember, we're on a budget. So we're just gonna spray the pan. We're gonna pour our broccoli. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Now we're gonna put a little bit of water in here for it to steam. Once you have your broccoli cuts with a little bit of water, you can go ahead and put the lid on there and turn the heat to like a medium, but just watch it, you want it to steam. Okay, so now I'm gonna get our tilapia and I'm gonna open it and take 2 out and take them out of the package and throw them on the pan. Okay, so now I'm gonna turn up the heat a little bit because they're not really frying yet. So I just put it to an 8, which is high, obviously. So they'll start to sizzle because they are wet, just because they're frozen, they're thawing out. I'm cooking it from frozen, so any of the instructions on the package, you can just follow me because I don't want to thaw it for 8 hours. Sorry, I'd rather eat it now. So I'm just gonna flip them periodically. To test your tilapia, you don't want it brown, but you want it like a light brown because tilapia is white. So to be brown would be burnt. But you want it just a little toasted, but you want it to be flaky. So you want to make sure that the sides are flaky and try to test like the more middle of the tilapia for flakiness, because obviously it needs to cook to the center, and if you take it off too early, it's rubbery and it's really gross. Now we're kind of at the point where we can add our lemon pepper. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the lemon pepper, okay? And we're just gonna add as much as you want. A little goes a long way. You wanna make sure that your broccoli is not too stiff, because then it's not steamed enough. So next is the salad. So now I'm gonna get my cheese, which is Colby Jack cheese, because it was the cheapest one. $2.69 at Kroger. Okay, and we're gonna sprinkle some cheese on my salad. So I'm just putting salt and pepper on my tilapia and on my broccoli because I want to. Done. Now I'm gonna, that pepper's really strong. There you have it. This is a lot of food. I eat way too much. Now that I look at this, I'm like, people are gonna notice how much food I eat. I'm okay with that. I eat, it's healthy. There you go. Okay, so now that I've let it cool off for about 10 minutes total, it's probably cold by now, but I'm gonna eat. And I really wish I had a Dr. Pepper, but I don't because I'm too broke to go buy some, and I'm too lazy, ultimately, to go buy a pack. If I ever have a P.O. box, all I want is Dr. Pepper. Just letting y'all know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this dumb attempt at me trying to cook food for you. Although you cannot eat it, you just get to look at it. But I'm gonna go eat, so I hope you have a good day, good night, whatever, evening, morning. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, you are more than welcome to give it a thumbs up, but you don't have to. That's your decision, ultimately. And I'm not a cook, but I am a musician and videographer, and my single Materials is coming out very soon, so be looking forward to that.